It's your boy JB, back with a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a video reviewing the new Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG that I picked up over the weekend. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a review on the shoes, my honest opinion on these shoes, and also whether you guys should cop or pass. So without further ado, let's get straight to the kit. Starting with the upper of the shoe, you have the shoe covered in suede, that neutral gray colorway. Feels really good, nice material on it. You also have that on the swoosh right here too. On the side of the shoe you have font. It shows SP19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. I feel like it's a really cool feature on the shoe. I haven't seen Air Jordan with a text on it since like the off-white shoe, so this is a nice little twist to start the year off. Nice leather on the side of the shoe and also the toe box. Your nylon tongue. You have your crimson suede right here. Feels really good. Your Wings logo right here. I actually like the crimson on the shoe. I feel like it pops really bright. You know, if you wear like shorts or anything like that, it's gonna be really smooth. I like the tongue now. Like a lot of Jordan 1s I'm noticing, the tongue is having like a nice different color block. So this brightest green and the crimson right here, to me, is lit. Nice white midsole as always on the Air Jordan 1. And you have the neutral gray sole right here. One thing I like about the Air Jordan 1s is that it comes with a different set of laces. So if you want, you can go classic with the black on both. You might want to put both crimson on each shoe, or what I would do, I'll leave one foot crimson, other foot black, just to spice it up. I don't want to look like everybody else, you feel me? Don't get me wrong, these shoes are really fire to me, but I'm gonna have to pass. I feel like unless you're an Air Jordan 1 collector and you just want to have every Air Jordan 1, you definitely want to pass up on these. But if you don't really have Air Jordan 1s or you're looking to spend the money on a shoe, I would say that I wouldn't do it for this. I probably would wear this probably once a month or maybe once for the year. Not too sure. It's not a colorway that I always run into, and I have other shoes with similar colorway. However, this shoe is fire. The prices are going up for it now. So if you want to be flashy, and I always recommend being flashy, this is a nice cop. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know below if you guys copped the shoe, if you passed, or you're about to pay resale. Also, if you like this video, want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, subscribe below. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any heat. And as always, thank you for watching. JB out. Peace.